Hey you! Yes you. Go open your medicine cabinet. See that little strip of paracetamol? Or that bottle of cough syrup your mom makes you drink? Ever wondered how they got there? No, they didn't just appear after a magic spell, though that would be cool. Every single medicine you've ever taken has been on an epic, blockbuster-worthy journey. It's a story full of heroes in lab coats, tiny molecules with big dreams, and honestly, more plot twists than your favorite Netflix show. This isn't just science, it's a high-stakes adventure where the prize is saving lives. So grab some popcorn, because we're about to spill all the tea on this incredible quest. Think of it like a reality show. Let's call it Molecules Got Talent. Thousands, even millions of tiny chemical compounds audition. They all want to be the next big thing in medicine. But the judges, our amazing scientists, are super picky. They're looking for that one special molecule with the X factor. This is the discovery phase. It's a massive brainstorming session where scientists hunt for a compound that can fight a specific disease. Maybe it can block a nasty virus, or maybe it can tell cancer cells, "It's not me, it's you," and break up with them for good. It's a long and often frustrating search, but it's where every great medical story begins. Once our scientists find a promising candidate, the real drama begins. It's like finding a potential new best friend. They seem cool, but you need to know more before you introduce them to your family, right? You need to know if they're reliable, if they have any toxic traits, or if they'll ghost you when you need them most. This initial getting to know you phase is all about understanding the molecule's personality. Scientists spend countless hours studying its structure, its behavior, and its potential. They want to make sure this little guy is a hero, not a hidden villain waiting to cause trouble. It's a meticulous process, but it's the foundation for everything that comes next. So, this whole journey starts with a simple idea, a spark of curiosity in a laboratory somewhere. That idea then grows into a massive hunt for the perfect molecule. It's a quest that takes years, sometimes even decades. It's a testament to human patience and dedication. Every pill in your cabinet is a survivor of this intense selection process. It's a winner, a champion that made it through the toughest competition in the world. Now, are you ready to find out what happens after our star molecule gets discovered? The next stage is even more intense. It's time for the preclinical trials, and trust me, it's a wild ride. Alright, so our star molecule has been chosen. Woohoo! But it can't just pack its bags and head to the pharmacy. Oh no, honey. First, it has to survive the preclinical trials. Think of this as the ultimate obstacle course. It's designed to test if our molecule is both safe and effective before it even gets near a human. This part of the journey happens entirely in the lab, using computer models, cells in a petri dish. We call this, and later, animals. It's like a series of intense job interviews to see if the molecule is actually up for the task of fighting a disease without, causing more problems. The first challenge is all about safety. Scientists need to figure out the right dosage. Too little and the medicine won't work. Too much, and it could be harmful. It's like adding salt to your food. You need just the right amount. They test the molecule on cells grown in the lab to see how they react. They're looking for any signs of toxicity or unwanted side effects. Basically, they're asking the molecule, are you going to be a team player, or are you going to mess things up? This is a super important step because human safety is the #1 priority. No cutting corners here. Next up, animal testing. Now, I know this can be a sensitive topic, but it's a crucial and highly regulated part of the process. The goal is to see how the drug works in a living, breathing system that's similar to ours. Scientists observe how the animal's body absorbs, processes, and gets rid of the drug. They are checking for effectiveness against the disease and looking for any potential side effects that didn't show up in the petri dish. This step gives us vital information that helps make the jump to human trials much, much safer. It's a necessary hurdle to ensure we're not taking a dangerous gamble with people's lives. If our molecule passes all these tests with flying colors, if it proves it's safe, effective, and not a total diva, it gets the green light to move on to the next, most famous stage clinical trials. This is a huge milestone. All the data from the preclinical stage is gathered into a massive file and sent to regulatory authorities, like the FDA in the US. They review everything with a fine-tooth comb before giving permission to start testing in humans. It's like our molecule just graduated from school and is now ready for its first real job interview with the public. The stakes are about to get a whole lot higher. And if you found this journey as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more fun breakdowns. Stay curious, stay questioning, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.